Hi there. How's my 80 subscribers doing today? So I don't really want this channel to just be all about my I do other stuff. Okay. I don't want to just be a truck channel. That's boring, dude. Do some other stuff. So I just want to show you some of my other hobbies that I have, and I want to make videos about those and not just my truck. This shelf I got a nice model truck I found at Joann Fabrics. That 80s Ford. It was F100. I couldn't make it a dually, but I at least tried to make it a flatbed, kind of like mine. And I made that in shop class out of wood. It doesn't have mirrors, but hey. Then I got these little tractors just sitting here looking cool. Just chilling out with a big old cultivator. Then I got these little model trains here collecting dust. Looking cool. Come over here. You see some more stuff on display, I guess. An old Ford truck, some books, some hats, a big old sombrero. And you come over here and see what in the hell's all this? A big old pink table with some Lego train tracks on it. Come over here and have a look. What all do we have here? A big old mess. That's pretty much what it is right now. Big old mess. Come over here to this side of the table. We got a big old mess. A toolbox, some screwdrivers, some Lego trains, and a jigsaw. Some tracks. Tracks coming into town. That's a grain elevator. My brother put a moose in there for some reason. Little vacuum and some strippers and clippers because I was doing some wiring. That's supposed to be my gas station. That's my dream truck right there, just a few times smaller. That there is supposed to be a bank, but it's just a big old pile of Legos. And so is that. That's the post office. I'm just trying to make buildings. They're not detailed like that one is. That's an official set, but this is supposed to be like a park. And like there's like a concert going on right now, but there's just two people there. Not really, because that's just some mirrors, so they actually won. So basically what this is, like, these are not base plates. These are just that trifold display board. It's just printed green instead of white. And I just lay it across the table almost all the way down, except for there, because I don't want that to be green. It's got to be gray. So what I do is I buy a white sheet of that trifold display board and I just spray paint it gray. Looks like gravel. And I got the whole thing sitting on this 2-inch sheet of insulation foam all the way down. That's so I can cut into it and make a river like this. So that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to finish off making this river. Wow. And I got this jigsaw angled. When we cut into it, it'll kind of make a shoreline. Looks pretty cool to me. Nice. I don't know how much good that's gonna do, but grab my hacksaw. So you just like kind of just undo this screw or bolt or nut, whatever the fuck. And there it goes. That's what I call excavating right there. Grab my hose. Always got my hose on deck, boy. Okay, so we finished digging out this river. It looks pretty good, I think. A little bit of tape right on the sides. I kind of cut too deep, so I tried to glue that back together, and I guess it went down good because it ain't coming up. Yeah. I had to like build a little bridge. It's not even a real bridge. Like it's not even a finished bridge. It's just in H shape. That just has two beams going across the full sides of it, and the roads are glued down to the. Yeah, dude. That's how I roll. It goes all the way to the edge of the wall where the attic door should be. Now next thing you do is like you can fill it with like water or that realistic water that they got. You just kind of brush it in there and it looks like real water, not paint. It looks like water. Or you can fill it up with Lego water, fill it up with glue 1x1 studs. Whatever you want to do with it is your thing, dude. I do my thing. I don't know what I want to do yet. I'll just have a pink river flowing through town. Leave me a like, dude. And tell me if you want me to do more of these Lego videos in the comments. Because I'd be happy to do it. I mean, I don't have to go out in the cold and talk about my truck. There's really nothing to talk about it. Because they got a lot to talk about on this.
Yeah, dude.
And that's pretty much how you do it. You know, make a river. If you're starting to build a layout, just put foam under it. It'll make it quieter. And you can make stuff like this. And you can get the stuff you dug out of here and build like mountains and hills and stuff, which I'm not going to do that because I don't need to. That's not what I'm trying to model. Alrighty then, there we got an update here a little bit. I found some bubble wrap and I put that in there for water because I didn't feel like spending a lot of money on that. So I found some nice like outdoor paint or something. For like I got green on that side and gray on that side for stones. But we'll have a little bit of some stuff over there, but I got a little what the hell is it? A broken push pin. I got a nail right there. Just stick them in there. One there, holding it all down all the way. Yep. This here is the paint I use. It's about like what 10-year-old paint or something. Yep. Stop the rust from coming into that styrofoam. Yep. Hunter green gloss for metal substrates only. No. How about styrofoam? So it's substrate. That's my green. That's my gray. That's flooring trim enamel. Slate gray down there. Any kind of paint you want will work. Just don't paint the Legos. That'll really make you pissed. Yep. I put some paint here too, just to get rid of that brown cardboard look there. I kind of felt like filling all this in with paint, but I got lazy and yee. We'll see you later then. There. Yep.